Lucky Louie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, our task is to test the incinerator safety devices or safety alarm. And I will demonstrate what are the procedure, how to test the pressure, temperature, and emergency shutdown. And we will discuss also how to operate this incinerator. Our incinerator is volcano type BIM 50 incinerator. And we are so many safety devices, and this alarm should be tested about every 3 months. And today we are going to test, and I will demonstrate everything. But before we proceed, the important thing is you should know how to fire your incinerator, how to start your incinerator, because some alarm needs that your incinerator is running condition when the test of pressure and temperature. So later on I will explain that, but first we will set up this incinerator. I will show you how to set up your diesel, your supply air, and then one by one we will test the flame, temperature high, pressure low, pressure high, and atomizing air pressure. Everything I will explain later.
So guys, this is the main controller of our incinerator control panel. It has indication for each alarm and also for the power source, if flame is present, and every alarm has own indication lamp. So when we have alarm, this lamp will activate, this red lamp will activate. These are the pressure switches used for our alarm monitoring and also for our automatic control of incinerator. So we have pressure low for waste oil, for diesel. This one is for the temperature controller or the temperature switch used to monitor the temperature if high or low. This is the copy of our incinerator alarm list and shutdown. I print it out so that I can make a mark if it's working and to make sure that all alarm will be tested. This is the main combustion chamber of our incinerator. This is the main control panel. So I think everything is okay, everything is normal. All we need to do is to set up the incinerator. To prepare our incinerator, I will open the diesel oil supply. So of course, we need diesel and we need air. These are the two components that normally shut down when the incinerator is not working or when the incinerator is not in service. So I will open the diesel oil supply, and of course we need air. I will fully open the air, but you can also check the manual what are the proper set point for the pressure of your diesel and the pressure of your air supply. So now I will going to start or fire our incinerator. So the first alarm we will test is the flame start failure alarm. Oh, I forgot, this is our button for the setting for our manual operation or automatic operation, but now everything will be automatic because we will just test the alarm. So first, flame fault alarm or the flame failure alarm. So we just need to fire our incinerator, and when the flame is already established inside the chamber, we will just remove this flame eye detector, and just to remove and then cover the flame eye. So flame sensor will detect that there is no fire inside our incinerator and the system will shut down. So now we have flame inside our incinerator and the flame indication is already lit up. So I will remove the flame sensor and just wait for the alarm. The flame fault alarm is activated now and the system already shut down. When there is active alarm, the diesel oil supply will shut off, and that is why our flame is disappeared. exhaust gas temperature. When the exhaust gas temperature rises and reaches the set value, the fuel will be shut off to cool down the gas inside the incinerator chamber. All the burner unit and devices, including the fuel supply, are interlocked with our exhaust fan or with our exhaust gas temperature. The thermocouple controller units detect the temperature and give the output for control depending on the setting of your incinerator. So for this controller unit, we have upper and lower display. The upper display shows the present value and the lower display shows the set value for safety and control alarm. We can adjust the alarm and shutdown set point by pressing the parameter button and adjust the set point. To test the alarm, we just need to adjust the alarm value or the set point value below the actual temperature value. We have two set point for temperature controller, high set point and lower set point. The higher set point, when the temperature rises and reaches the higher set point value, the fuel will shut off and the flame will cut off. For the lower set point, when the lower temperature is reached, the ignition will automatically restart for the next burning cycle. Ignition pressure low alarm. The ignition pressure low alarm will come out when the oil pressure falls down to the set pressure value. So example, our set value is 0.7 megapascal or 7 bars. I will just shut off the valve for our pressure supply, and when it reaches below 7 bars, the alarm will activate and shut down our system. Another way to test the ignition pressure low alarm is by activating this pressure switch. So you can lower the set point value, but for me this is not advisable because you are not sure if you can put back to original position, so unless you will use the calibrator machine or calibrator unit. So when the incinerator is running, using my screwdriver, I will just touch the contact to normally open position. So guys, I will just do this kind of procedure because my purpose is just to test the alarm. So for calibration, we will discuss that for another videos. So guys, remember, some alarm of our incinerator system can be tested when the incinerator is not running, and some alarm can only be tested when the incinerator is in running condition. So again, now I will start the incinerator and I will test the alarm for our atomizing pressure lock. So since this is also a pressure alarm, we just need to shut off the valve or just activate the pressure switch. To test the temperature high alarm, of course, you need to first fire your incinerator and then activate the temperature switch. So for temperature switch, you can activate by using your screwdriver or opening the contact. And of course, you can also use the calibrator unit just to put first your sensor inside the calibrator and wait for the alarm to activate. Test the motor trip alarm of our burner unit motor and the flue gas pan motor. We just first need to locate which is the contactor for that motor. To reset the motor trip alarm, we just need to press the reset button here in our overload relay. We are now on the last part of our video. The last alarm is the PLC abnormal alarm. So the PLC, or the programmable logic controller, fitted inside the incinerator control panel. This is the heart of your incinerator unit. So for me, I will not advise you to test this alarm. As long as you know that this is normal working condition, you don't need to test this alarm, because if the PLC will damage, of course this will become big problem for us. Furnace pressure alarm. The temperature pressure in furnace pressure side and the incinerator room area is detected with an internal diaphragm, and the switch is operated according to the setting by a pressure set switch. So guys, the last thing to do is to secure your incinerator. Shut off the air supply, shut off the fuel supply or the diesel oil supply, and then you can proceed to your proper recording. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Until next time, thank you.